Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Brother SP-1 Sublimation Printer, a game changer for anyone looking to take their crafting or small business to the next level. This compact, high-performance printer is designed to bring your imagination to life, and I'm eager to dive in and show you just how powerful it is. First, let's talk about the incredible value you get with this printer. The Brother SP-1 comes with a full set of CMYK inks, including 47 milliliters of each color, which is a huge advantage for anyone looking to produce high-quality, vibrant designs. The inks are specifically designed for sublimation printing, which means you'll get professional-grade results on a variety of materials, from t-shirts and tote bags to ceramic mugs and metal tumblers. The fact that you get a full set of inks right out of the box is a huge plus, as it saves you money and hassle in the long run. Another key feature that really stands out is the inclusion of Artspira design software, which is a digital download that comes with the printer. This software is incredibly user-friendly, even for those who are new to design, and it gives you access to 100 sublimation designs to get you started. The software is also compatible with Windows, Mac, and mobile apps, making it easy to work on your designs from anywhere. I've been playing around with the software, and I'm blown away by how easy it is to create stunning, professional-grade designs. Whether you're a hobbyist or an entrepreneur, this software is a powerful tool that will help you take your creations to the next level. Now, let's talk about connectivity and compatibility. The Brother SP-1 has both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, making it easy to print from your computer, phone, or tablet. The printer is also compatible with a wide range of materials, including fabric, ceramic, glass, and metal, which gives you endless possibilities for your designs. I've been testing the printer with a variety of materials, and I'm impressed by how well it handles each one. The print quality is consistently high, and the colors are vibrant and true to life. In addition to the printer and software, you also get 10 sheets of Brother sublimation paper, which is specifically designed for use with the SP-1. This paper is high quality and easy to use, and it's a great way to get started with your sublimation printing journey. The fact that you get a starter pack of paper with the printer is a nice touch, as it saves you from having to buy separate paper or worry about compatibility issues. As I've been using the Brother SP-1, I've been consistently impressed by its performance and versatility. The printer is compact and easy to use, making it perfect for hobbyists, artists, designers, and entrepreneurs who want to produce high-quality designs without breaking the bank. The fact that you get lifetime product support from Swing Design is also a huge plus, as it gives you peace of mind and ensures that you'll always have help when you need it. In conclusion, the Brother SP-1 Sublimation Printer is an incredible tool that has the power to transform your crafting and small business ventures. With its high-performance printing, vibrant colors, and user-friendly design software, this printer is a game-changer for anyone looking to take their creations to the next level. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing the Brother SP-1 for yourself, be sure to check out